Picoin has taken the world by storm. Millions of users are now mining Picoin on their phones. The idea of mining cryptocurrency with just a few taps is enticing. But the real question remains, will Picoin's value skyrocket? The answer is complex. There are many factors at play. Understanding these factors is key to predicting Pi's future. The hype is real, the community is passionate. But will Picoin live up to the expectations? Let's dive in and find out. Like any asset, Picoin's price hinges on supply. The supply of Picoin is determined by the number of users actively mining it. As more people join the network and start mining, the total supply of Picoins increases. This is a fundamental aspect of how cryptocurrencies work, and Picoin is no different. The more miners there are, the more coins are generated. This is why the supply side of the equation is so important. And demand. More users mean more Picoins are being mined. However, simply having a large supply of coins doesn't guarantee a high value. The demand for Picoin must also be strong. Demand is driven by the number of people who want to use Picoin for transactions, investments, or other purposes. If demand is high, it can help to support or even increase the price of Picoin. This increases the supply. For the price to rise, demand needs to outpace the supply increase. When demand exceeds supply, prices tend to go up. This is basic economics, but it's especially true in the world of cryptocurrencies. Investors and users need to see value in Picoin for its price to rise. This value can come from its utility, its potential for appreciation, or its acceptance by merchants and service providers. Adoption is crucial. The more people and businesses that use Picoin, the higher the demand. Adoption can take many forms. It can be individuals using Picoin for everyday transactions, businesses accepting it as a form of payment, or even larger institutions recognizing its value. The more widespread the adoption, the more stable and valuable Picoin can become. This is why the Pi network is focused on increasing its user base and encouraging real-world use cases. Pi network is working on partnerships to make this happen. Partnerships with businesses and other organizations can help to increase the visibility and utility of Picoin. These partnerships can range from small businesses accepting Picoin as payment to larger collaborations with established companies. Each partnership adds to the credibility and usability of Picoin, making it more attractive to potential users and investors. The overall crypto market also plays a role. A bullish market can lift all boats, including Pi. When the cryptocurrency market is doing well, it tends to have a positive effect on most coins, including Picoin. Investors are more willing to take risks, and the overall sentiment is positive. This can lead to increased investment and higher prices for Picoin. Conversely, a bear market can drag prices down. When the market is bearish, investors are more cautious, and prices tend to fall. This can affect Picoin just as it affects other cryptocurrencies. Understanding these market dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to invest in Picoin or any other cryptocurrency. The value of Picoin is influenced by a complex interplay of supply, demand, adoption, partnerships, and overall market conditions. Experts are divided on Pi's future price. Some are cautiously optimistic, others are wildly bullish. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Picoin is no exception. Analysts have been poring over data, historical trends, and market sentiment to come up with their predictions. While some experts believe that Picoin has the potential to revolutionize the digital currency space, others urge caution, pointing out the numerous challenges that lie ahead. The debate is intense, with each side presenting compelling arguments to support their views. Short-term predictions are more conservative. Analysts who take a cautious approach often cite the current market conditions and regulatory uncertainties as reasons for their tempered expectations. They argue that while Picoin has a strong community and innovative technology, it will take time for these factors to translate into significant price movements. These experts predict that in the short term, Picoin's price will likely remain stable, with gradual growth as it gains more acceptance and visibility in the market. Some analysts expect Picoin to trade between 10 cents to $1 after it gets listed on major exchanges. This range reflects a cautious optimism, acknowledging the potential for initial excitement and trading activity once Picoin becomes more accessible to the general public. However, these analysts also warn that the price could be highly volatile in the early stages of trading, as investors react to news and market developments. This is expected to happen sometime in 2025. The timeline for Picoin's listing on major exchanges is a crucial factor in these predictions. Many experts believe that by 2025, the necessary infrastructure and regulatory frameworks will be in place to support a successful launch. This period will also allow the Pi network to continue growing its user base and developing its technology, which could further enhance its appeal to investors and traders. Long-term predictions are more varied. When looking further into the future, the range of opinions becomes even broader. Some analysts are extremely bullish, predicting that Picoin could see exponential growth as it gains widespread adoption and becomes a staple in the cryptocurrency market. Others are more cautious, suggesting that while Picoin has potential, it will face stiff competition from other digital currencies and technological advancements. Some believe Pi could reach $10 or even $100 in the next few years. These optimistic forecasts are based on the assumption that Picoin will achieve significant milestones, such as partnerships with major companies, integration into various financial systems, and widespread use in everyday transactions. Proponents of this view argue that Picoin's unique features and strong community support will drive its value higher over time. This assumes widespread adoption and the development of real-world use cases for Pi. For Picoin to reach its full potential, it will need to be embraced by both consumers and businesses. This means creating practical applications that make it easy and convenient to use Picoin in daily life, from buying goods and services to transferring money across borders. Additionally, ongoing development and innovation in the Pi network's technology will be essential to maintaining its competitive edge and ensuring its long-term success. It's tempting to compare Picoin to Bitcoin and Ethereum. After all, these crypto giants have seen astronomical growth. However, Pi is different. It doesn't have Bitcoin's first-mover advantage. It also lacks the established infrastructure and developer ecosystem of Ethereum. Pi's success depends on its own unique strengths. Its mobile-first approach makes it more accessible. Its focus on community building could foster loyalty and drive adoption. The Pi network community is incredibly passionate. Millions are actively mining, engaging, and spreading the word about Pi. This enthusiasm is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it creates buzz and drives adoption. On the other hand, it can lead to unrealistic expectations. The community's belief in Pi's potential is powerful. If they can translate this belief into real-world usage, Pi could see significant growth. Section 6. Navigating the crypto landscape risks and rewards. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently risky. Picoin is no exception. It's crucial to understand the risks before investing. The crypto market is volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly. There's no guarantee that Picoin will succeed. It's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your own research and don't get caught up in the hype. Section 7. Pi's path forward, a balancing act. Pi network faces a delicate balancing act. It needs to maintain the community's enthusiasm while also delivering on its promises. The team needs to focus on building a robust ecosystem. This includes attracting developers and creating real-world utility for Picoin. Transparency is key. Regular updates and clear communication will be crucial to maintain trust with the community. Section 8. The mainnet launch, a pivotal moment. The upcoming mainnet launch is a critical moment for Pi network. It marks a transition from a closed network to a more open and decentralized system. This launch could be a catalyst for price growth. It will also bring new challenges. The network will need to prove its scalability and security. The success of the mainnet launch will be a major factor in determining Picoin's future. Section 9. The final verdict, will Pi soar? Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is a fool's errand. The market is notoriously volatile, and even seasoned experts often find themselves caught off guard by sudden shifts. With Picoin, the situation is no different. While some see it as the next big thing, others remain skeptical. There are too many variables at play. From regulatory changes to technological advancements, the landscape of cryptocurrency is ever evolving. Each of these factors can have a significant impact on the value and adoption of Picoin. Picoin has the potential to reach new heights. Its unique approach to mining, which allows users to mine coins on their mobile devices without draining battery life, sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. This innovation could be a game-changer in terms of accessibility and user engagement. It has a large and passionate community. The Pi network has already amassed millions of users worldwide, all of whom are actively participating in the network and spreading the word about Picoin. This grassroots support is crucial for any cryptocurrency looking to gain traction. It's also easy to use and accessible. The Pi Network's app is user-friendly, making it simple for anyone to start mining and using Picoin. This ease of use could help drive widespread adoption, especially among those who are new to the world of cryptocurrency. However, it faces significant challenges. The cryptocurrency market is highly competitive, with new coins and technologies emerging all the time. Picoin will need to continually innovate and improve to stay ahead of the curve. It needs to prove its utility and navigate the competitive crypto landscape. Beyond just being a digital currency, Picoin must demonstrate real-world applications and benefits. This will be key to its long-term success and acceptance in the broader market. Ultimately, the success of Picoin depends on the execution of its vision. The team behind Picoin has laid out an ambitious roadmap, but turning these plans into reality will require dedication, innovation, and a bit of luck. The leadership and development team must work tirelessly to overcome obstacles and deliver on their promises. If the team can deliver on its promises, Pi could soar to new heights. The potential is there, but only time will tell if Picoin can truly revolutionize the cryptocurrency market and achieve the success its supporters believe it can.